How to play all YouTube videos from any channel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then open the channel where you want to play all videos. After that, simply open new tab and search Play All button YouTube and click on the first link which pops up. Then click on Add to Chrome. This is one of the extensions. Click on Add to Chrome and press on Add Extension at the top. After you have done that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Go to YouTube channel and reload your page. After you have reloaded the page, you will find Play All button at the top. Simply click on Play All. Then it will open all the videos and play in sequence. I have only one video, so it is playing only one. But if there was other videos, it would play all. And this is how to play all YouTube videos from any channel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.